Kashmir's glaciers recede 29% in last 4 decades, higher than other Himalayan regions. The shocking details came into fore when Kashmir's top climate change experts made their groundbreaking research public recently. The study claimed that it may pose serious threat to Kashmir economy, irrigation, water, hydropower, horticulture, etc. Head Department of Geoinformatics and main lead of the research, Dr. Shakil Ramshu, revealed.
Main reason for the melting of glaciers is the increasing temperature, and these increasing temperatures are due to the global warming or climate change. If you look over the Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh region, we have a met history of meteorological data since 1886. And when we analyze this 134 years of data, so we find that the minimum temperatures, maximum temperatures and average temperatures over this region have increased significantly. The second important factor or a driver for the reduction in the size of the glaciers or mass of the glaciers is the decreasing snowfall.
The study, called Satellite Observed Glacier Recession in Kashmir Himalaya, is first of its kind in Kashmir and has used time series of satellite data to determine the glacier health, which is critical for sustaining the perenniality of the rivers originating from the Kashmir region. Dr. Irfan Rashid, the co-researcher of the study, believes that if this trend of the recession continues, it may pose a serious threat.
Most of the agricultural areas that we had 20 or 30 years back, we have lost a substantial portion of the land which was under agriculture. This was partly because of the changing climate, and then it was also because government is basically projecting horticulture as an economically important sector, and people who used to have their land under rice paddies, irrigation intensive rice paddies, if you look at the cost benefit analysis of agriculture versus horticulture, it becomes more money fetching basically sector as far as horticulture is concerned. So the cumulative effect of both the agricultural or the horticultural schemes that are being basically promoted by the government and the impact of climate change, which forces these depleting stream flows, it is basically the farmers are converting their agricultural land, irrigation intensive rice paddies, into horticulture.
Compared to Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Himachal Pradesh, Kashmir's glaciers are shrinking rapidly. Dr. Majid Ahmed, chief scientist, advisor of the Nature University and in charge of Climate Change Center at the Department of Ecology, Environment and Remote Sensing, said that it's a serious concern.
Entire Hindu Kush Himalayan region is dependent on the water from glaciers, then the glacial discharge which melt and recharges groundwater and springs. And from those springs comes the stream water which irrigates our agriculture fields. Now if glaciers melt, so where from the water will come? And on the other hand, the land is already shrinking.
The researchers said that there are long-term consequences in Kashmir, and as of now, these things won't be visible. One of the co-authors, Dr. Midhat Fayaz, tells us about the warning signs and the precautionary measures.
We have to take some precautions. We have to cut the fossil fuel burnings. We have to look at the traffics because the pollution, and the pollution derived from those traffic, it gets settled on those glaciers and it enhances the melting. So we have to take care of those things so that we can use these resources in the future.